Hello, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be picking my Wilko padlock. I have done another video of picking this with my rake and my hook pick, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be uploading that yet. I might upload both these. In this video I'm going to be just using my hook pick. So like I said, both videos might be uploaded, or I might just upload either one. I'm most likely to upload both. This lock isn't too hard to pick, it's just right, I think. It's quite a hard lock to pick, but I'm just getting used to it. Tends to get quite easy. Quite good for a beginner, I think. And there we go. So like I said in my other video, it's quite an easy lock to pick. It's a bit harder than all the other ones I've been picking in my videos. So quite a nice lock, but Wilko's just a cheap brand of Wilkinson, the shop, so not the best of padlock. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe.